Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wii Sports. First, ensure your Wii console is properly connected to your television. Use the standard AV cables or an HDMI adapter for a clearer picture. Next, gently insert the Wii Sports game disc into the console slot. Finally, power on your Wii and navigate to the Wii Sports channel on the main menu. This will launch the game, ready for you to choose your sport. Before diving into the action, you'll need to set up your controller. Sync your Wii remote by opening the battery cover and pressing the small red button, then press the sync button on the console. Always attach the wrist strap securely to prevent accidental drops. Once synced, you can create a personalized Mii character or select an existing one to be your in-game avatar. This Mii will represent you across all 5 sports. Wii Sports offers 5 distinct activities: tennis, baseball, bowling, golf, and boxing. From the main menu, simply point your Wii remote and select your desired sport. Each game provides helpful on-screen instructions to guide you through the basic controls. Take a moment to practice your movements, whether it's a tennis swing or a bowling release, to get a feel for the precise motion controls. Mastering these basics is key to enjoying the game. To enhance your experience, aim to win matches and unlock higher difficulty settings, offering a greater challenge. Wii Sports is also fantastic for social gaming. Invite up to 4 friends or family members to join in the fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with your swings and movements. Sometimes a slight adjustment can make a big difference. Remember, the goal is to have fun and stay active while enjoying these classic virtual sports.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.